iFLY Virginia Beach with the instructor Zach Jones. He's gonna teach us how to survive Hurricane Matthew, or is it Matt? Hurricane
Charlie?
No, I'm pretty sure it's Matthew.
Matthew, got it.
Walk me through what we're gonna do, bud.
All right, man. So today what we're gonna do is teach you how to hold on when in a hurricane. All right. You're gonna grab onto that door jamb for everything you've got and don't let go.
My bottom lip! I swear, touched right here. I swear it is.